Hi, I'm going to make a whale with spouting water out of my homemade play clay. I'm patty caking out my little blue play clay right now. I've got different colors. I made half batches and made them each half batch in different colors so that I had more variety in what I could do with them, or at least it looks different, and it's kind of fun to have the variety of colors. So now I'm going to take the white clay to make the whale. This is going to represent my water right here. I'm going to roll it around and around to bring in all the bumpy edges, and then go back and forth to kind of taper this big lump. So this is the face and the head of the whale, and then this is going to be where the tail sits. And I'll take some more clay, roll in the bumpy edges around and around, and then go back and forth to make that little raindrop shape and patty cake it out into the whale's tail. This play clay is so easy to work with because there's no like real technical adding pieces together. All you do is press two pieces of clay together and it stays put. With earthenware clay, if you're going to do this shape out of an earthenware clay, it has to be scored and slipped. You have to use a wire brush and score it all up, make it all rough, and add a little tiny bit of water so that it seals together nicely. Oh, I used up all my clay, my white, and I really wanted some. I'm going to steal some from underneath here. I wanted some also for little dorsal fins. No, is that dorsal fin? No, not a dorsal fin, a pectoral fin. There we go. A dorsal fin is at the top, but a whale doesn't have that. They have pectoral fins, which come out the side. I believe they do anyway. There we go. Push that back together, handle it gently. If you push too hard, you make it thin and then it flops over. So now I'm going to give them some eye sockets. And I got a bent up paper clip here. I'm going to give him a big old grin, kind of a sloppy, goofy grin. And he needs eyeballs in his eye sockets. Take a little pinch, roll it around and around. Pluck in those little eyeballs. Keep them in there. Whoops, stay in there, you. I'll hold it in there. There we go. Okay. Give him his other pectoral fin. Patty cake that out. All right. He looks a little silly. All right, he's going to look sillier any minute now. I'm going to make the little water spout now with little bits of blue clay. Just rolling out 3 separate little spouts or splashes. Turn them. And voila. There he is. You see that? Well, thanks for watching. The recipe is down below. Like it, follow, share. Thanks.